do you smell that? Because you're on fire. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. Today, I'm going to be unboxing my very exciting new Jack Boots!
What's today?
Today's the day I get my Jack Boots! Yeah!
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh.
Hey, Dave, want to go to the Moxi shop? We are on our way to the Moxi skate shop because I am going to pick up my Jack Boots that I've been waiting for so long. I've been saving up for the past year. I finally was able to buy them and I'm so excited. I just got a call yesterday that they're ready, so we are on our way. Yeah! Did you see how pretty Shove looks today? Show them your eye makeup, babe. It's so pretty. Ow, ow! We're here! That was the shortest car ride ever. Alright, let's go inside.
I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me. Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars.
Alright, so I'm super excited. We just got back from the Moxi shop and we picked up these wonderful, beautiful Jack Boots.
Why is he watching you like that? He's very entertained.
He loves my YouTube channel. He's my #1 fan. Oh, I finally got them. It's the Jack Boots. So let's do this. Oh wait, I always get this messed up.
Rebel Rouser can't open a box.
Stop! Oh my god! They're so pretty. They're so pretty. I love them so much. So I got the red and I got them with the Moxi trick wheels and I got the park setup and it comes with the Chicks and Bowls grind block and it has this pretty little M on the back. This nifty little thing for when you're trying to get it over your heels, which is something I'm constantly struggling with. So there's this thing, it's called a lace locker, and it helps because it makes the tongue centered on the boot. You use it during the lacing process to lock your tongue in place. So normally these skates come with a black, like typical toe stop. I decided to order the Kaya short stem toe stop in cherry because one, I think it's super cute, but the reason why it's so important to get a short stem toe stop with the Jack Boot specifically is because this little part of the plate is so short that if you have a longer toe stop, if you want your toe stop raised higher, it actually will push the boot up, and so you're like grinding into the boot and pushing the boot up from the plate, and that's bad. And that actually is not necessarily just because it's the Jack Boot, it's because of the plate that's on there. And so make sure that you know if you're getting specific plates, if you should be getting short stem or long stem toe stops with them. Yeah, so I got the Kaya toe stop. I replaced the laces with this yellow lace, which I thought paired really well with a trick wheel. And I think that's all that I modified on it. I have the Reactor Neo plate on there. And yeah! Check and see how these, the plates are super straight lined up on here. And what's really great about the Jack Boot as well, that they are very thick, like the padding is insane in these things. So you can see right there, we've got the sheepskin on the tongue all through the inside of the boot. It's very, very thick and cushiony. So it's gonna be super, super comfortable. So I can't wait to try these babies on. Yeah, that's what this tag says. It says before using, break them in. And they say, congratulations. And I say, thank you so much. I'm so excited. They will require a 10-hour break-in period. So I'm gonna go ahead and track that for you. And we're gonna talk about breaking in your Jack Boots after this. So I'm going to do the roll test, which means I'm going to set these on the ground. I'm gonna push them forward. If they go forward, and don't curve off, then the plate is on there straight. But if they curve to the side once I push them forward, then we're gonna worry about the plates not being aligned correctly on the boot. All right, okay. That's pretty damn straight.
Yep.
All right, the next one. Yep, that would be 2 straight boots. Queer girl, straight skates in the jack boots. Yeah!
There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You will wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me. Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me.
And so protected. Yo, these are so cool.
Just watch me.
Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. I could not be more excited. I gotta go. I need to skate around in these babies all day long. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for all your roller skating needs from helmet to toe stop, go to planetrollerskate.shop. Later, skaters!